discuss how OpenAI standalone browser lasted before getting the axe. The ChatGPT Atlas shutdown is now official with OpenAI confirming the Apple stopped working on August 9th. OpenAI announced that through James Sun, the executive who led its browsing efforts in the post on X, the company is retiring Atlas as a part of a bigger rollout of today's GPT 5.6 announcement. That update brings a new ChatGPT desktop app with a built-in browser, compete with tabs, a password manager, and autofill. OpenAI is rolling out a side chat extension for Chrome, plus a cloud browser for its work agents to handle tasks remotely. Sun claims the team built these new features from what it learned from Atlas users. He did not get into specific beyond that. If you're still using Atlas, you still have a few weeks to go before the light goes out. The ChatGPT Atlas shutdown timeline gives users until August 9th to prepare. OpenAI says it'll share more details through the ChatGPT app and by the email in the coming days. Early reports suggest bookmarks can be moved over to Chrome while the saved password will be transferred to the new desktop app. Atlas was launched in October and tried something different. Instead of bolting AI onto existing browser, it puts ChatGPT at the center of the whole experience. Agent mode could handle tasks like booking appointments. Browser memory let it recall stuff from the past sessions. The problem was competition. Chrome added its own AI sidebar through Gemini and it kept expanding this tool without asking users to download anything new. Android covered Google's push to bring Gemini deep into Chrome last year and the pressure never let up. Why switch entire browser when the current one can keep adding new features? The ChatGPT Atlas shutdown seems to be following a pattern. OpenAI killed its Sora video editor earlier this year and shelved a planned adult mode for ChatGPT. Standalone experiments keep losing out features bolted into product people already use.